Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Amazon Basics mattress topper for a queen-sized bed. If you're looking to add comfort and protection to your mattress without breaking the bank, this hypoallergenic quilted mattress topper pad might just be the perfect fit. Right out of the gate, this mattress topper measures 79.92 by 59.84 inches with an 18-inch deep pocket, making it suitable for thicker mattresses. The size fits a standard queen mattress perfectly, ensuring a snug and secure fit thanks to the elasticized knitted fabric sides. Whether your mattress is plush or firm, this topper stays in place throughout the night without shifting or bunching up. One of the standout features is the material blend. Made from 80% polyester and 20% cotton, this topper strikes a balance between softness, breathability, and durability. The quilted plush surface provides a cozy feel, while the breathable fabric promotes airflow, helping you stay comfortable and cool even during warmer nights. For those sensitive to allergens, the lightweight hypoallergenic fill is a huge plus. It's designed to reduce exposure to dust mites and other allergens, making it ideal for allergy sufferers or anyone wanting a cleaner sleeping environment. Plus, this product is manufactured in an OEKO Tech Standard 100 certified factory, which means it meets rigorous standards. For safety and environmental responsibility, caring for this mattress topper is straightforward as well. It's fully machine washable and can handle high temperature washes without damage, allowing you to keep it fresh and clean with ease. This is especially useful if you want to maintain a hygienic sleep space over the long term. In terms of design, the quilted pockets keep the plush fill evenly distributed, preventing lumps and ensuring consistent comfort across the entire surface. The lightweight nature of the topper adds softness without making your bed feel too warm or heavy. Weighing just under 3 pounds, this mattress topper is easy to handle, set up, and store when needed. Whether you're enhancing an older mattress, adding a layer of comfort to a firm bed, or simply looking for some extra protection, this Amazon Basics mattress topper offers a great combination of features at an accessible price point. So, if you want a reliable, breathable, and hypoallergenic mattress topper that fits a queen bed and stays securely in place, this product from Amazon Basics deserves a close look. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. See you in the next video.